If you are new to this channel, let me tell you a little about my story. We met in school, 10 years together. Everyone called us the couple, the one that was supposed to make it. We had that one love energy, the kind where people say, if it's not like them, I'd rather be alone, or because of them, I believe in fairy tales. Then one day it just wasn't there anymore. No big fight, just two people who'd grown into different versions of themselves. I didn't know how to grieve someone who was still alive, still existed, just not with me. It took me 8 months, 8 months of pain and somehow laughter too, moments I didn't expect to survive, let alone smile through. 10 years doesn't disappear in a day, but it also doesn't have to define the rest of your life. If you're mourning a forever that ended, I'm not going to tell you to move on fast. I'm going to tell you 8 months, 10 years, whatever your timeline is, it's allowed to take exactly as long as it takes. Follow along as I share my path to self love and healing.